Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Sopari. Hope you're doing great. And if you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out your freesystem.com, wondering if it's a brand new opportunity, if you can make money, if it's legit and all that great stuff. Okay, so let's dive into it. But guys, at any chance, if you're really interested in my preferred way to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home just by making use of your computer and internet connection, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description. And also, if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free. Now on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some are great, some are so-so, and others a complete waste of time. So let's check out your freesystem.com by Mac to find out what this all about and whether it's a good way to make money on the internet or if there are any other better opportunities out there. So if you're newly watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. I guess it might be shining. Okay, please click that notification bell so that you won't be missing any next notification, and also it would be motivating me to create new content for you. First off, your freesystem.com is by a gentleman named Mac, a very successful internet marketer. He's previously created the multiple income funnel system, and all his systems are set up pretty much the same way. Now let's take a look at the front page of the website. You can actually reserve your free position right here by filling out a form. Once you do, you land on this page. The first thing they'll talk about is joining the Nexus Rewards opportunity. So what exactly is Nexus Rewards? It's a multi-level marketing company that offers a cashback network. When you join, you get access to their cashback program, allowing you to save money on various purchases like gasoline, groceries, dining, travel, and more. Now, it's very important to note that while you can save money through cashback, you'll need to pay to join Nexus Rewards. It's just $40 upfront and a $9.95 every month. But here's where your freesystem.com comes in. It's a free marketing system designed to promote Nexus Rewards. While the system itself is free to use, you'll need to join Nexus Rewards to make money from it. This is where Mac's training comes into play. He'll teach you how to effectively promote Nexus Rewards and earn commissions through the MLM structure. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, your freesystem.com is free to use and Mac's training is very comprehensive. However, one potential drawback is market saturation. As more people join and promote your freesystem.com, it becomes increasingly challenging to stand out and attract new recruiters. Another point to consider is the effectiveness of marketing strategies thought within the system. While some methods may yield results, others like solo ads may not be as effective. I made use of solo ads and burned around $9,000. So I say a big no to solo ads. So it's essential to leverage social media and email marketing effectively to maximize your success, as there is an in-depth training given by Mac. So at last, I would like to conclude saying your freesystem.com offers an opportunity for those looking to make money online. While it's not without its challenges, particularly in a comprehensive landscape, the potential rewards can be significant for those willing to put in the effort. So if you're really interested in learning more, head over to your freesystem.com to get started. And if you're curious about alternative methods for making money online, I invite you to check out my free masterclass by checking the link down below, the first link down below. Okay, thanks for tuning in, and here is to your success in the world of online ventures. And I forgot, I also said like I would be giving you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free, right? So just imagine guys, if an ordinary Indian person like me who can sit at home and make money in dollars just by creating these kinds of systems as you can see on the screen, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? So as you can see in the courses section, there are 4 different programs, right? So these programs are for those who like to start an online business. Okay, so you can get access to this complete bundle for absolutely free. The only thing you need to do is you need to join my community. And make a note, this invite is only for the first 100 members. They are already done with 27 members, so there are more 73 spots left. So take advantage and be into our community and access all these courses for absolutely free. If you are here watching this video right now, you might be looking for a way to generate income through the internet. So please visit the first link. It's a strategy where you can go from zero to earning $5,000 to $10,000 a month minimum, all from comfort of your home. So if you are interested in learning more about this strategy, I've got a free masterclass for you. As I said, visit the first link in the description down below and I'll send you right away. Thanks again for watching, and I wish you all the best on your journey to financial freedom. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Why? Because it would be motivating me to create new content, as well as you get notified if I drop any new video on my channel. Meet you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.